Russia orders Sarma precision-guided multiple launch rocket system. Finland begins large-scale military exercises. Finland has just launched a series of large-scale military exercises named Lively Sentry 25, Northern Axe 25, Northern Spike 25, Northern Strike 225, and Lapland Steel 25, mobilizing approximately 15,000 personnel, conscripts, reservists, and professional forces across the country's south, east, and north. This is the largest series of drills since Finland joined NATO in 2023, representing a shift towards practical combat training in winter conditions, simulating the nation's actual wartime operational structure. The focus of the exercises is rapid mobilization, integration of combined arms operations, and coordination with NATO forces directly on Finnish territory. The new regional command headquarters in Mikkeli serves as the command center, shortening the decision-making chain in the eastern direction. In terms of weapons and equipment, the Lively Sentry 25 exercise mobilizes 6,500 troops, deploying motorized armored groups and urban infantry with over 900 vehicles, practicing urban assaults against armored targets. Northern Axe 25, for the first time, assigns a reservist company combat, attack, maneuver, and night operations tasks, instead of just static defense training. Meanwhile, Northern Spike 25 focuses on anti-tank missile training. Northern Strike 225, led by the Kainuu Brigade and with participation from the Polish Army, conducts artillery missions, creating an integrated fire support network across multiple command levels. Lapland Steel 25 tests joint Nordic operations in an Arctic environment, with soldiers from Finland, Sweden, and the UK, focusing on mechanized capabilities, air defense, and survival in deep snow conditions. In Lotaha, the ADEX Mallet Strike 225th exercise brings together 1,000 air defense soldiers from Finnish, British, and Swedish brigades, training in an environment with dense electronic warfare, UAVs, and complex aerial threats. These 2025 winter drills mark a leap forward in Finland's posture as a NATO member, turning its territory into a combat-ready forward base, capable of mobilizing, commanding, and coordinating allied forces right from the Nordic front line. U.S. launches nuclear attack submarine USS Utah. The U.S. Navy has just named the future nuclear-powered attack submarine USS Utah, SSN 801, at the General Dynamics Electric Boat Shipyard in Groton, marking the final of 10 Virginia-class Block IV ships, with a total value of $17.6 billion. Utah is a significant industrial and operational milestone as the U.S. transitions to the Columbia-class ballistic missile submarine and the next-generation design. The submarine is 115 meters long, 10.3 meters wide, with a submerged displacement of about 7.800 tons, a crew of approximately 145, and a top speed of over 46 kilometers per hour. It is equipped with an S-9G reactor that allows the ship to operate for its entire service life without refueling. Weapons include 4,533 mm torpedo tubes, 287-inch Virginia payload tubes, VPTs, in the bow, each carrying 6 Tomahawk cruise missiles, Mk-48 ADCAP heavy torpedoes, and unmanned underwater vehicles. The sub is equipped with a large aperture bow, lab, sonar system, photonics masts, and the AN/BYG-1 open architecture combat system, which allows for rapid installation of new sensors and weapons. The submarine can perform multiple missions such as anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, land attack with Tomahawks, intelligence gathering, seabed warfare, and support for special operations forces. Russia orders Sarma precision-guided multiple launch rocket system. According to Military, the Russian army has ordered 2 battalions worth of the new Sarma mobile precision-guided multiple launch rocket system, MLRS. Documents indicate the contract includes 12 launchers and 12 transporter loader vehicles. The Sarma system uses 300 mm rockets, developed by the Motovelika plant, and is based on a KAMAZ 635018x8 chassis. Each launcher costs 155 million rubles, While each loader vehicle costs 64 million rubles, this price is slightly higher than the Tornado S system. According to Military, following the impact of the US-supplied HIMARS system on the battlefield, the Russian Ministry of Defense initiated a separate project to develop Sarma. The system utilizes ideas from the previously shelved project. The final version is equipped with a 6-tube launcher and has a combat weight about 10 tons lighter than the Tornado S, 33 tons. The crew cabin is fully armored, and it features a modern automated fire control system and a compact configuration, increasing mobility and survivability in environments with a high threat of counter-battery fire. The design prioritizes reduced weight, operational mobility, and integration with digital command and control networks to execute long-range precision strikes. The reduction in launcher size is traded for rapid deployment and flexible operations in complex terrain. Although a mass production schedule has not been confirmed, the order indicates an intention to put Sarma into operational service, possibly by the end of this year or early next year. If deployed on the battlefield, Sarma will expand the precision strike capabilities of Russian artillery.